Let's discuss one new chapter, that is coordinate geometry. Okay, coordinate geometry is nothing but study of geometry by using coordinate points. Okay, study of geometry by using coordinate points is called coordinate geometry. Okay, first coordinate axis. Coordinate axis is nothing but a pair of mutually perpendicular lines. A pair of mutually perpendicular lines with reference of x dash, y dash. Okay, horizontal line is called x axis and vertical line is called y axis. This is the coordinate axis. Okay, here point of intersection. The point of intersection is called origin. Okay, the point of intersection is called origin. Here point is 0, 0. Okay, denoted with O. Okay, next coordinates. What are coordinates? Let us consider a point on a plane. Here point is p x comma y. Okay, this is a point. Okay, here the perpendicular distance from the y axis is called x coordinate, and the perpendicular distance from the x axis is called y coordinate. Okay, x coordinate or abscissa. X coordinate or abscissa. The perpendicular distance from the y axis is called x coordinate. Okay, next y coordinate or ordinate. Okay, ordinate. Here the perpendicular distance from the x axis is called y coordinate or ordinate. Okay, here we have 4 parts. This is 1, 2, 3, 4. Here we have 4 parts. Each part is called quadrants. Okay, each part is called quadrants. Each part is called quadrants. Okay, if x is equal to 0, point is 0 comma y. This point lie on the y axis. Okay, if y equal to 0, x comma y equal to 0, here point lie on the x axis. Okay, is it clear? Next, why we need coordinate geometry? First, suppose we take photos or selfies. Camera works based on the coordinate geometry. Okay, if we convert it 3D objects, 3D objects to 2D objects. Okay, if we convert 3D figures into 2D figures by using coordinate geometry. Suppose we build a buildings, roads is nothing but construction. Construction field. Civil engineers also used coordinate geometry. Is it clear? Okay.